Good morning, guys. I'm still asleep. But I'm excited this morning. Finally, this transmission is going in today for the Acura. So yeah, today I have to work, but one of my friends, his name is Armando. Shout out Armando. He's gonna be replacing the transmission for us. He's gonna come in today and start on it. If he can finish today, good. If he can't, we're coming tomorrow. Sunday, we're gonna come in Sunday morning. Hopefully, I don't think he can finish it today unless he's like fully rushing it. But tomorrow, if he can't finish, tomorrow. So yeah, come along with me today on this beautiful Saturday morning. It's been raining all week. It's like the weather has been, I mean, we need rain, but it's been really like, gloomy? But yeah, come along with me to get this Acura transmission done. Okay guys, I am here. I'm in here. We put the car in the shop last night. So yeah, it's already in the bay. As soon as my boy Armando gets here, I'm gonna start taking this thing apart. Okay, let's go see how my boy's doing. He's been working on it for a couple of hours now. Or not a couple, like 2 hours and a half. Say what's up, my friend. ¿Qué onda? My boy Armando, my boy is the one that's grinding. Look at my boy. They're going crazy. Déjale, doy un update. He has the transmission out. Wait, where's the... ¿Dónde está la viejita? Oh, that's the old one. It's the new one. He's just getting it ready. He already changed the rear main seal. He had to take that plate off, change the rear main seal. And now he's just getting the new one. He's adding everything, taking all the old harnesses off, getting it ready to put on. And then me, I'm changing the motor mounts. Look at this shit. Just straight on. So yeah, just watch us set this shit up. We're just gonna leave it put on, and tomorrow we'll come to finish. I'm talking about us, like if I'm doing most of it, this motherfucker doing everything. But we're just gonna leave the transmission on, and tomorrow we'll put it all back together. Just straight foot. Just crazy. Pues no mames, güey, casi me mato. Okay. Transmission is in. It has a leak. I cleaned it up, but I'm seeing that it's leaking from up here. I don't know if y'all know what that is. It's right there. The leak is coming from right there. I thought it was a valve cover, but it's right here. It's like a camshaft seal or some shit. But yeah, it's in, brothers. Ya, este güey ya la puso, güey.
Ya casi terminamos.
¿Cuántas horas?
Estamos tal vez unas 5 horas trabajando. 5 horas más está terminado.
Ya la quitó y la puso. Ya nomás tiene que poner todo. Vamos a ver qué verga.
Pueden ver, ya terminamos. Ya está la transmisión mala, transmisión buena. Aquí el mister está dándole unos ajustes a la suspensión.
Los motor mounts, todos los spray bar links estaban hechos fucking shit. Okay, about to put the subframe back on. I did one valve cover. I gotta do the other one. We're about to put the subframe on. Ahí voy.
¿A dónde va? ¿A dónde vas?
Hey, ya sabes. Cualquier cosa.
Alright guys, I'm tired. Today was a long day, I'm not gonna lie. Today was a very long day. We were so close to finishing completely the whole thing. I'm saying we, but my my boy popped off. All the transmission mounts were replaced. All the motor mounts were replaced. Front and rear sway bar links. What else did I do? Obviously the valve cover gaskets, the spark plugs, all of that. Oh, the rear main seal. All that was done today. And obviously the transmission is put in, transmission filter. So yeah, good successful day. Tomorrow we're gonna come in at 9 and finish up. I'm gonna say like maybe like 2 more hours, max 3, and we'll have it like up and running. Good morning, guys. Sunday morning. We're meeting up at 9 o'clock at the shop. We should, like I said, we're going in. Hopefully everything just ends up perfectly. Just putting every little bolt back together, and we're good to go. Yeah, I just realized all the parts that I showed y'all in part 1 and that I had, basically put all of them on. Only thing I brought today was the tail light, and yesterday I realized I didn't bring the intake manifold gasket. I had bought some, so I had bought the intake manifold gasket, and I'm bringing it now. Like I said, if we're already there, we might as well change them, guys. If you know you're about to be in the position of your engine that you can change certain gaskets, change them all. And then only other thing is, like, I brought this air filter, this KN air filter. You know what that means? That means 100 horsepower more. I get it. Dude, I'm changing the valve cover in the back, the spark plugs in the back. Dude, what the fuck? I did notice that they were, the seals, they were ripped the fuck up. The spark plug seals were ripped. I don't know why they didn't replace them, because it looked like they replaced the valve cover gasket, but they didn't replace the seals. I don't know how they didn't have a misfire. That shit is drenched. But we're almost done. Alright, guys, update. The wheels are on. Everything is on. We're gonna lower it, put the fluid in, all the fluids, and hope everything goes good. Alright, we're about to do the first start of the engine. Dale, a ver qué pasa. De tanto aceite que le cayó adentro cuando quité la te veías puro. No mames, deja de fumar en mi carro, güey. It's good, it's good. Just a little bit of oil. So I think the power steering pump on, oil on that. I'm telling you. This shit is smoking hella because the spark plug had mad oil in it. Pero todavía no le ponemos en reversa, güey. Todavía no la ponemos en reversa. Alright, bro. Let me focus and then we'll call back. Ya estuvo, guys. We drove it. It drove fine. Fine. Thank you, Mr. Armando. Anyone need any work? Hit him up. Armando.